Get ready for the 2025 Food Automation and Manufacturing Symposium and Expo, presented by Food Engineering, now in the vibrant city of Tampa, Florida. This April, FA&M heads to one of the nation's top destinations, and we're excited to host you at the downtown Hilton Hotel, just minutes from the award-winning Tampa International Airport. Explore the scenic Tampa Riverwalk, linking the hotel venue to scores of outdoor venues, or hop on the historic streetcar for a night of fine dining and networking with industry peers. Tampa offers the perfect backdrop for this year's transformative event. At FA&M, you'll dive into the latest trends, best practices, and cutting-edge technologies in sustainability, food plant construction, resource management, food and beverage processing, and packaging. This isn't just a learning experience, it's a chance to connect with industry leaders, build lasting partnerships, and open doors to new opportunities in the food and beverage manufacturing sector. Whether you're looking to share your expertise or showcase innovative products, FA&M offers the perfect platform. Take advantage of this unique opportunity to grow professionally, sharpen your skills, and get inspired by thought leaders who will introduce fresh approaches to overcoming business challenges. FA&M is where knowledge, innovation, and opportunity converge to shape the future of food and beverage manufacturing. Elevate your presence and be part of the next wave of transformation. Join us in Tampa, April 2025, and let's shape the future together. See you there.